Hi everyone, this is Python question series episode 2. So today we are going to see how to generate grade using marks. So first of all, we are going to create a variable defined as marks, and we are using integer since mark is a number, and also we are inputting that and displaying message that enter the mark. Then we are using some conditional statements using if, and also we are using some relation comparison operators. So if marks greater than 90. So now I am setting the greater than equal to 90. So totally the marks will be 100. I am setting it to 90s uh, for first class. Grade A. So so if these conditions fail, the next must be checked, right? So I am giving in elif marks lesser than 90. So here we have given greater than equal to. So if 90, if 89 is there means that will be listed in this condition. And marks greater than equal to 75. I'm setting the limit as 75. So print grade B. So we must use the correct indentation and colons perfectly so that the program will not arise any error. So next condition, I'm going to divide the category of less than 75 and marks and marks greater than or equal to 60. So third grade will be 60 and sorry, and we are going to print it as grade C. So I'm going to stop the condition. If you want, you can list out more conditions like it must be lesser than 60 and it must be greater than or equal to 55. You can add grade D and grade E. And also you can add grade F also if you want. So I'm going to stop here. So I'm using else statement to conclude else print grade E. So here I'm not using fail fail argument. So here if the marks is more than 90, it will print grade A. If the mark is between 90 and 75, it will print as grade B. If the mark is in the range of 75 to 60, it will print grade C, otherwise grade D. So here it is, we have finished the program. Now I will demonstrate. So here it is asking me to enter the mark. So I'm going to enter the mark as 70. So let us see what happens. Yes, here we have listed that if in the range of 75 to 60, it must, sorry, 60 to 75, it must be grade C. So as it is in the range of this 65 to 75, it is printing as grade C. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay connected with Python question series. Thank you.